Apex News, India, Northeast.
नमस्कार, मैं दीपिका दे आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूं और आप देख रहे हैं मेरे साथ एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। सबसे पहले एक नजर डालते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस पर। अब खबरें आगे। नेपाल चाइना बॉर्डर पर भयंकर फ्लैश फ्लड के बाद 384 लोग लापता है, जिनमें 105 भारतीय और 37 एनआरआई शामिल हैं। कई लोगों के मरने की भी आशंका है।
पुरै त्रिशुली लाइभ लाइभ यो चाहिँ है गाइस, यस्तो लाइभ छ। ओहो, पुरा ड्याम फुटेर आयो यार, पुरा चाइनाको ड्याम फुटेर आएर रहेछ। आमामामामामा ल, यहाँ हामीले अब ओहो यार, यो पुरै ड्याम फुटेर आएको, ड्याम फुटेर आएको। यो घर गयो यो। ल ल, त्रिशुली बजारै गयो यार। ल गयो यार। ओ ए सिलास, यता यता आऊ, यता आऊ, यता यता आमामामा यार, बजारै गयो यार। यहाँ नबसौँ ल, अलि टाढा बसौँ, टाढा। यो पुरै ल, घरहरू जम्मै गयो। ल ल, घरहरू जम्मै गयो। यो पुरै आमामा ड्याम यार।
Oh my god. Oh boy. Lama. खोला हेर्नु गाइस, खोला। ओ माई गॉड, मार्यो।
मेघालय के चीफ मिनिस्टर कनराड संगमा ने केएसयू नेताओं से मुलाकात कर 5 मुख्य मांगों पर कार्रवाई का भरोसा दिया।
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday met Khasi Students Union KSU leaders to discuss 5 key demands. Deputy Chief Ministers and senior officials were also present. On Shree Cement, the government will constitute an independent fact-finding committee to examine concerns over the public hearing, stakeholder participation, and environmental issues. All project-related work will remain on hold until the committee submits its report.
We just concluded the meeting with the leaders of the Khasi Student Union. In the meeting, our Deputy Chief Ministers and senior officials of the government were present. And from the Khasi Students Union, their senior leadership had come to discuss on the 5 agendas that were given to the government, and point by point we discussed on all the issues that were mentioned. The first agenda was regarding the public hearing of Shree Cement and their demand that it should be cancelled or scrapped. I shared with the members of the union that the government has to bring in private investment for the economic growth that we would like to see. And accordingly, when the proposal came from Shree Cement to set up an industry here, it was a positive step. Shree Cement is the second largest producer of cement in the country and a very reputed organization. After following the basic procedures of the basic applications, the process of public hearing as per law is required. And therefore all the procedures were conducted and the public hearing was done. But the members of the KSU had mentioned that they had concerns about the process in which it was conducted, and that certain steps were taken to stop certain people from coming, and also certain concerns regarding environmental issues and other stakeholders not being involved. And hence we came to the conclusion that we will be putting up a fact-finding committee headed by a senior official from the government, independent of the district administration, and few members will be part of that fact-finding committee. And let them find out the details of all these points that were mentioned, especially regarding the public hearing, the procedure and the process in which
केएसयू ने मेघालय सरकार के साथ बातचीत के बाद अपना आंदोलन फिलहाल के लिए स्थगित कर दिया है। सरकार ने करीब 70% मांगों पर कार्रवाई की आश्वासन दी है।
Was to an extent successful, I can say that. We have put up 5 demands to the government. There are actually 20 of them, but in a few weeks, the KSU have taken these 5 important issues. They had given an ultimatum of 15 days to the government. They have organized a series of street corner meetings all over the Khasi Jaintia region of Meghalaya and in Shillong also. After that, the KSU is compelled to take other necessary form of agitations. That is when the government actually invited us for talks, and it was confirmed yesterday, and we had a meeting today's evening. So we discussed 5 points with the Chief Minister in the presence of the two Deputy Chief Ministers and also officials of the state government. So I will talk about one point after another. Number 1 is the establishment of the cement plant by the name of Shree Cement in Elaka Nokli in East Jaintia Hills. We have seen that on the 31st of July this year, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board held a public hearing there in Elaka Nokli, East Jaintia Hills. But to our utter dismay, we came to learn through the news that the public hearing is biased in the sense that only those who support the establishment of the plant were allowed to enter the venue. The others who are against the establishment of the plant, they were blocked by numerous means. You could see that their stones are being pelted right from the night of the 30th. And even a road was dug up also so as to prevent them from entering the venue of the public hearing. And that also was being done in the presence of the police and the district administration of East Jaintia Hills. So we feel that the public hearing is very wrong. So we demand from the government, our demand is to scrap the public hearing with regards to Shree Cement. So we've had a very long discussion with regards to Shree Cement, and the Chief Minister assured us that a fact-finding team or a fact-finding committee will be set up by the government.
केएसयू के पूर्व जनरल सेक्रेटरी डोनाल्ड वी थावा ने 19 अगस्त की हिंसा के बाद मेघालय के सेफ्टी रिकॉर्ड का बचाव करते हुए कहा कि राज्य अब भी एक सुरक्षित जगह है।
Tourists are not here. So one thing that you would like to say to people or maybe those who are watching in the national media, like about the safety.
See, Meghalaya is not the only state where agitations are being held, where violence is there. Each and every state had their share of violence, had their share of agitations. So why specifically singled out Meghalaya? The people of Meghalaya also had their rights to demand. So it happened in Assam, it happened in Uttar Pradesh, it happened in Delhi recently also. So everywhere, not only in India, all over the world, in Europe, everywhere. So how can we specifically single out Meghalaya? Yeah, Meghalaya is a safe state. It's actually one of the safest in the country also, especially for women.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
शिलोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशंस कोर्ट ने केएसयू वाइस प्रेसिडेंट पिंकमैन लंगसनमेट की बेल पिटीशन खारिज कर दी। बेल याचिका उनकी खराब सेहत का हवाला देते हुए दाखिल की गई थी। यहां रुकेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए, कुछ और खबरों के साथ मिलेंगे ब्रेक के बाद। देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया।
You think champions are made in the arena? They rise from the streets. The streets remember champions.
Welcome to Greenhaven, Shillong. Hidden among Meghalaya's misty hills, Greenhaven, Shillong invites you to slow down and reconnect. Indulge in luxurious comfort, stunning views, heartfelt hospitality, and the serenity of nature. Discover a stay that's more than a getaway. It's an experience, where every stay feels like coming home.
ब्रेक के बाद फिर से स्वागत है आप सभी का। चलिए देखते हैं अब बाकी की खबरें। शिलोंग बार एसोसिएशन ने मेघालय के एडवोकेट जनरल अमित कुमार को हटाने की मांग को लेकर शहर में शांतिपूर्ण पीस मार्च निकाला।
Advocate General Amit Kumar. Go back. Go back. Go back. Annoying General. Go back. Go back. Kumar. Go back. Go back. Amit Kumar. Go back. Go back. Shillong time. What's your price? What's your price? What's your price? What's your price?
Today I bow down in front of our members. Thank you so much. I'll hand over the mic now to my brother Trevor to say the rest of the words. The vote of thanks.
Any such gathering for a issue which has touched the sentiments of the entire bar of the Meghalaya High Courts and Shillong Bar Associations and other bar association of the state of Meghalaya.
They are not members of the bar also. Depriving our own members, our lawyers, local lawyers from here of opportunities. Not only that, he has also appointed his own son to represent the state of Meghalaya in the Supreme Court. And we have come to learn that, there are other anomalies also. We file RTIs about a lot of other things. See, the amount of money which is also spent on, not only on Mr. Amit Kumar, but also on this outstation lawyers is huge. It's very huge for a small state like us. And in the last press conference, I also had to reiterate the same thing. It's not that we had such matters over here that our lawyers cannot defend. We have great seniors in Shillong. We have been here, in fact, the Shillong Bar Association is one of the oldest bar associations in the country. It was established in the year 113. So there is no dearth of talent in the state. For whatever reasons, the Honorable Chief Minister in the ruling dispensation wants to have Mr. Amit Kumar. That is known to them. But we, once again, reiterate our demand. We do not want Mr. Amit Kumar to be our representative. The Honorable Chief Minister comes in the media and shares the clip wherein he says that, Amit, we are very, very...
नेपाल में 11 हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स पूरी तरह से क्षतिग्रस्त हो गए हैं, जिससे देश के 12% से अधिक पावर कैपेसिटी प्रभावित हुई है।
Oh my god. Ô bùi. La mà.
भारत ने नेपाल के लिए 37.5 टन HADR रिलीफ मटेरियल, दवाइयां और फूड पैकेट से लेकर दूसरी फ्लाइट भेजी है। भारत नेपाल के रिलीफ एफर्ट्स में लगातार सहायता कर रहा है। ईद उल मिलाद उन नबी के मौके पर शिलोंग के मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी ने शहर में एक शांतिपूर्ण जुलूस निकाला और अमन, भाईचारे और एकता का संदेश दिया।
नीचे अब नीचे ऊपर नहीं चढ़ने का परमिशन नहीं है। आप लाइन में रहो। ये अलाउ नहीं है हम लोग को उठने का। भाई फोन करे कोई लोग कता भाई
अबे ये फिल्टर क्या तो हम लोग उन लोग के साथ चलेंगे। ये लोग आगे रियल
कांग्रेस ऑफिस के बाहर मुस्लिम महिलाओं ने राहुल गांधी से ट्रिपल तलाक, महिला अधिकार और कर्नाटका में महिला मंत्री न होने जैसे मुद्दों पर सवाल उठाए और उनसे जवाब देने की मांग की।
संसद में तो राजनीति नहीं चलेगी। मेरी सब मुसलमान भाइयों को ईद मुबारक।
खबरों में आज के लिए इतना ही। ऐसे और खबरों के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए देखते रहिए एपेक्स न्यूज इंडिया। धन्यवाद।
Apex News India Northeast।